Let the fire dog, let the fire dog, let the fire dog, let the fire dog.
RIT, like in the fire service, do you know what it means? Rapid Intervention Team. So we just did a vote with the guys, and they actually chose that name. We had 5 different names for them to choose from, and they all liked the name RIT. So that's what we went with.
Hey, RIT.
Let the fire dog, let the fire dog, let the fire dog, let the fire dog.
Don't hang yourself. Oh.